Guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have another Bolero complete rebuild with us at the moment. You can just have a look at the vehicle. The vehicle is completely done with the tinkering work and only the base coat has been done on this. Still painting is available, interior work is available on this vehicle, and we are right now working on mechanical works. We have removed the complete parts completely. You can just check, complete brand new disc has been added on this, and also the shock absorbers is been added, and also the frame is completely brand new frame which has been installed on this. You can just have a look at the vehicle. Complete set of brand new parts have been added on this. So still lots of work to be done on this vehicle. Soon this vehicle will be completely restored at Restored Bangalore, and also this will be readily available for sale in Bangalore. This is a 2010 model DI turbo engine which is coming up with AC power steering. So you can just check the back side. We have added a brand new brake liners in this. Hub greasing is also being done on this. So stay tuned and watch our channel for more updates on this. And also we have a Thar which has come for modification of the fenders and body lift, as well as tires are going to be altered. For any kinds of modification regarding these kinds of Jeep, Gypsy, Bolero, Thar, or any kinds of pickup utility vehicle, please do WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore. So please like and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned and watch more and more videos coming from our channel. Thank you.